Through this project, we try to create a database of chess games for amateur players in order to explore patterns and statistics of the games of their peers. And actually, many databases, exist of master level games, such as, the Open Explorer on chess.com that display the relative win rates of each opening for master level play. While this database has its uses for amateur, it fails to give amateurs a good idea of what opening they should play. And also through this database, we will provide the best performing opening as well as wealth of other statistics at different levels of chess to give beginners a better idea of the pattern they will see at lower levels of chess.
So coming to the dataset side for this project, we have used Lichess dataset from Kaggle. And Lichess is a free and open platform for all the players and all the skilled players to play chess. This dataset holds for around like 20,000 of games and contains around 16 columns. These 16 columns defines about the nature of the games, nature of the players, and their ratings as well. So we have, and coming to the dataset, we have used AWS Cloud Server to connect our data. We have dumped our AWS chess dataset into the AWS server and connected it through PostgreSQL. We were able to set up the connection, and now coming to the queries that are being written. The first query mainly explains about the winner of each opening, and the second query is to find the opening name, like who started the game and stuff. Third one is about ID and the victory status information of each game, like who's played it, what is ID of it, and things. And the fourth one is about the moves information, like how many moves have been played and things. Fifth one mainly explains about the time taken for each game to go on. Sixth one explains the number of turns that have been taken for the game to win, and this is sequentially ordered on descending order. Seventh is about the victory status of each game, saying that how many draws have then been done, and how many wins are there, how many resigned and things. Eighth one is about the graph of turns, ordered by what is the highest number of turns for a game played was.
So for this app, our plan is to have a page for user access. So you just type in your user ID and log in, and it'll take you to this page. And from this page, we can look at several different things. First, let's look at openings. So let's say I'm curious about the Ruy Lopez opening. So the Ruy Lopez has many different variations. So we can click through and look at the different ones here. Let's say I want to choose this Ruy Lopez. Let's choose the closed variation. So I can see the different win percentages for white, black, and or white, black, and draws. And then from here, I can see the different games that are being played. And so with these different games, I can see the moves that are being played in these games. And I can see who won the game and how the game ended. Down here, if I want to just look at the game individually, I can just type in the value of the game. So it'll give me the game. Let's say I want to see all the games played by a certain player. I can put their name in. And I see all the games that they're white. And if I can do the same thing for black as well. And I can also search by opening as well. Down here, we can see a master table with the amount of turns for each game. So I can sort by turn length and see how long games are taking. Over here, we can see how games are ending. So only a small percentage of draws, decent end in checkmate, some in out of time, and a lot in resignation. And here we can see a graph of the longest chess games and how long they are taking. And thank you.